Do y'all know how difficult it is to drive a manual transmission and vlog at the same time? Skills, y'all. Skills. Well, what's up, everybody? It's day 4, 5, 6, 25. I don't remember. I've lost count already. Is that bad? I don't know. Anyway, it's Sunday. We've had morning service already, and now we are getting ready to, I'm getting ready to go pick up some folks so we can have our evening service. So here we go. So one thing that I love about the ministry, well, let me back way up, and then I'll condense some. So I can remember working on the bus ministry ever since I was young, and being on a bus route and stuff. And I every church that I've been a part of, I've always been a part of the bus ministry. And ever since we've had our ministry here in Mexico, we haven't really been able to have a bus ministry. Well, now we finally have a van, and we're able to have a bus ministry, which I am so stoked about. So we're going to Michigan next week, but when we come back, we've got some big days planned, some big promotions, and our goal is by the end of the year to have this van packed out with people. So we'd appreciate your prayers in getting this van packed out, bringing people to church, and sharing the gospel with them, because that's what the ultimate goal is, sharing the gospel. So we appreciate your prayers on that. I'm gonna go pick these folks up now, and we're gonna get back to church, and we're gonna have a church service, and so we'll see you after church. All right, peace out. We had a good service, y'all. We had a good service. Talked about the grace of God. It's where it's at, y'all. It's where it's at. I just watched back that clip that I just did, the one just previous. I looked so serious. I don't know why I look so serious. Anyway, we had such a great service, and like I said, I'm looking forward to getting our van packed out for Jesus. Amen. So anyway, we're gonna take some folks home in the van. We've just got a couple people we got to take home. We don't pick them up every Sunday because they live real close, but when they're staying the night or whatever, and the other side of town or whatever, we go pick them up. But yeah, I just want to say thank you all again for watching this. We'll see you tomorrow right here on the blog. Shh.